Hey, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Aundrea Faye, and I just want to do an inspired transmission. I'm not even sure what I'm going to do yet. I just know I'm here right now. I'm actually going to go into a trance state, intuitive. mm, It's like a remote viewing that I do of the world, the earth. So I'm guided right now to do that exactly. So I'm zooming out, looking into the earth. I see a turquoise kind of glow. The northern eastern part of the world as I'm looking, and it's actually rotating and interesting. So it's not actually coming from the earth, it is actually hovering right over. It's like a turquoise like fog. Zoom out more. Interesting. So I'm asking what this fog is, and it's like a galaxy that is condensed, that is over the earth, giving the earth information. Like universal wisdom, strength, universal. It's a portal, but it's not exactly a portal. It's more like part of information within the earth. So it's spreading it amongst the earth. And I actually see the earth pulsating in response to this. Okay, hearing water. Okay, so this penetrates also this information, this universal wisdom. It's turquoise. Yeah, okay, so actually represents water. So information, the informational highway of water, trading the structure of water. Now I'm hearing a humming sound. And this humming sound is to put overtly a frequency that you might not be able to hear with your ears, but it's available to those that want to be more aware of their central heart and nervous system. And to their wisdom and truth and the water within. This is not a transmission of something outside of yourself, deciding who you are. This is a very sovereign decision, and it is a match with this frequency of this universal wisdom and intelligence. And if you choose to participate and feel this transmission now, and you accept this higher, I like to use the word higher, but it's more authentic readiness and wisdom that brings you a stability within yourself and that turns down the outside noise. That you can tune into the beauty, the expansion and capacity of your human heart and master self. I'm seeing pulsating coming from the core within the earth, and also this wisdom coming down through this turquoise net, turquoise turquoise mist, and they're communicating. And as they're communicating, you can enjoy, witness this frequency benefit, especially your power center and also your solar plexus. And don't forget the back part, feeling into the back part of your. And this is again the central nervous system, and I see in the body like a firing and wiring, firing within the central nervous system. This is a nervous system intelligence. This is not like the old nervous system trying to regulate, soothe, or anything like that. This is an intelligence, an upgrade, a download. It's in computer terms. Trying to find words that aren't just so much computer terms, but I am seeing actively in the back of the heart specifically, and below the solar plexus, like right behind the solar plexus, not below. It's firing, and like like a bright white light, and it's moving. The energy is moving. The nervous system, it's not yet at the neck or the base of the brain yet. It's there. Solar plexus in the back of the heart, back of the solar plexus, and it's growing larger. And now they're bringing my attention down to the feet, right? In the bottom part of the feet, I see bright white lights. Also presents connecting to the physical, that physicality of our human experience. Okay. I'm going to ask them to wrap this up in under 10 minutes. If we can. 7.5 minutes now. Taking a deep breath. Not just the body, earth, and everything that has been witnessed here. Okay, I'm seeing the moon. My peripheral vision on the right side. And the moon doesn't seem too connected with all of this, which is interesting. The moon is just breaths. Okay, so I see this swirling galaxy and this image that was above the earth, that turquoise image. It's turning into pinks and things and blues, and it's swirling around the moon. Stabilizing emotions. Okay, so I hear stabilizing the emotions. The moon sometimes can feel a little bit, but depending on the person, it can feel very live or stale. In this particular instance, in this particular moment, it's about recognizing our stability in our emotions and that neutrality, and also observations that are our ability to observe ourselves and recognize within ourselves our emotions, and then take it out to observation so that we can stabilize our emotions. Now I see it swirling around the moon and like taking everything out of the moon that might be over emotional or negative, or projections about the moon, or whatever maybe stories that you have about the moon, good, bad, and different, conspiracies, non-conspiracy, whatever that is, that it's all connected to the emotions, whatever that means. And it's actually like clearing the palette. clearing, it's just neutralizing everything. It's very, very helpful. Take a deep breath and just imagine that in your own body, your own experience, neutralizing and receiving the wisdom, observation of our emotions and stability of our emotions is very, very helpful, especially when we're dealing with higher energies, water, the water within our body, the beautiful, beautiful stories, whispers, and, and love of the heart and the presence of our solar plexus and the emotions, water ourselves, the universe. All of it doesn't have to be overwhelming, just is. And we're moving, we're stabilizing, and we're whole. Taking a deep breath in. And as you take a deep breath in, you're coming back into your body, wiggling your toes, wiggling your fingers, and your neck around, standing up, taking a deep breath in, and just appreciate, have gratitude for this transmission and this moment with so much love.